Microsoft Word 2019.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Greetings to all of us. Good morning to our lecturer and friends in the class. Next, we are from group of 4, consisting of me, Leonie Salsabila, with NPM 2013025019 as moderator, Dwi Aprili as the first presentator, Hayatunisa as the second presentator, Retno Wuri Handayani as the third presentator, Nanda Pertiwi as the fourth presentator, Leonie Salsabila as the fifth presentator, and Meisha Rani as the last presentator. On this day, we will present our paper by the title Microsoft Word 2019. To shorten the time, just our first presentation that will be delivered by Dwi Aprili. Welcome to Dwi Aprili.
Okay, thanks moderator. I'm here to explain about the history, definition, and function of Microsoft Word. Before explaining the material, please introduce myself. My name is Dwi Aprili Wiranisi and my NPM 2013025000 and 1. And the first about history about Microsoft Word. Microsoft Office, or commonly called Office, is a group of client, server, and service applications developed by Microsoft since the 1980. Microsoft Office has developed starting in 1990, which was released on November 19, 1990. At the time, Microsoft released the three Office software in one packaging, namely 1. Microsoft Word for Windows 1 and 1, 2. Microsoft Excel for Windows 2 and 0, and Microsoft Office PowerPoint for Windows 2 and 0. Next. The next is definition about Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is a word processing program application. Microsoft Word has many important functions because it is used to create Word documents. The function of Microsoft Word is more direct at making books. Therefore, there are many functions that Microsoft Word has that make it easy to process a book. Next. And the last about presentation about function Microsoft Word. First, composition and editing words from the Word. The first function about Microsoft Word is composition and editing. Microsoft Word allows users to type a word, sentence, and paragraph like a typewriter. And secondly, formatting and saving. Microsoft Word contains many features that allow you to format your text using bold, italics, underlines, header and footers, bullets, and numbering. The program also allows you to save your document electronically to a computer hard drive, so they can be reprinted at a later date. You can describe the topic of the section here. And 3. Printing. Microsoft Word can also help print your document. With Word, you can choose printing option, such as causing the printer you want to print to or causing how many copies of a document you want to print. Thank you. Back to moderator.
Okay, thanks to Dwi Aprili who has delivered her presentation. The next will be delivered by Hayatunisa. Welcome to Hayatunisa.
Thank you for moderator. Before I explain my presentation, I will to introduce myself. My name is Hayati Nisa, NPM 2013-025-007. The first, Microsoft Word rule. Help users to minimize error when writing document. Microsoft Word 2019 has the rule of helping users to minimize error when writing documents. Because this software has a feature to check every spelling that has been written by the user. Then there are various templates that user can use directly to create an unofficial document. Help users complete their work in less time. Microsoft Word 2019 asks help users to complete their work in a short time because in it there are many tools provided. Besides that ready-made document can be converted into other forms such as PDF, while this document can be saved in print form. Help users to be more creative in doing their work. Microsoft Word 2019 can help users to be more creative because there are many templates provided, while the time needed to complete a document becomes faster and easier. Then, Microsoft Word Toolkit. The first, File tab. The File tab has features in it that function to create new documents, open documents, save document, provide document info, print document, send document, close document, export document, manage document, and create a Microsoft Word account. Thank you. Back to moderator.
Okay, thanks to Hayatunisa who has delivered her presentation. The next will be delivered by Retno Handayani. Welcome to Retno.
Thank you, moderator. Before I will do presentation, I want to introduce myself. My name is Retno Handayani, and PM is 2013-025-01 and 3. The first presentation is Home tab. Okay, the Home tab has a picture in which there are approximately 5 groups, namely clipboard, font, paragraph, style, and editing. More or less, the picture on this tab function as a text setting in documents such as to create paragraph, select text type and size, number text, and more. Okay, second presentation is Insert tab. The Insert tab has a feature in it that more or less function as additional element in document to build the average of the document, such as inserting image, setting document cover, adding tables, illustration, symbol, and others. There are 10 groups of functions in it, namely page, table, illustration, add-ins, media, link, comment, header, and footer, text, and symbol. Okay, the last presentation is Design tab. The Design tab consists of two group rules, so is to set the document page background. The two groups are document formatting and page background. Document formatting function more or less to determine what time, color, and paragraph spacing will be used by the user. So the page background function to provide a watermark, add color, and set page background and set page border on the page background. Okay, thank you. Back to moderator.
Okay, thank you to Retno Handayani. The next presentation will be delivered by Nanda Pertiwi. Welcome to Nanda.
Thank you, moderator. Introduce myself. My name is Nanda Pertiwi with NPM 20530250003 and 5 Page Layout tab. The Page Layout tab more or less function as a page organizer, paragraph, and adjust the position of the text or objects. There are three separate groups in this tab, namely page setup, paragraph, and arrange. Next. 6. Reference tabs. The reference tabs is used to manage table of contents, footnotes, endnotes, research, citation, biographs, adding description of image or object, indexes, and list of authorities. More or less on this tab has the function to create a table of contents, bibliograph, automatically, and more. Next. 7. Mailing tabs. The mailing tabs is used to manage things related to correspondence, which consists of 5 groups of functions in it, namely create, start mail, merge, write, and insert feeds, previews, resolve, and finish. As for example, this tab can help user to create the name of the recipient of the letter automatically by utilizing the Select Recipients feature by combining it with Microsoft Excel for recipients data. Thank you, moderator.
Okay, thanks to Nanda Pertiwi who has delivered her presentation. The next will be delivered by me. Okay, here I will explain about Review tab. The Review tab is used for all things related to writing, such as for language checking, commenting, translating, reading text, checking, accessibility, tracking, change, compression, ink, and security. This tab has 10 groups of functions, namely putting, speech, accessibility, language, comments, tracking, change, comment, and link, and ink. Next. The next is View tab. The View tab serves to organize and view all things related to the work screen display, markers, and SharePoints. More or less, this tab has a function for users to set what kind of display will be used in the document. Thank you. The next will be delivered by Meisha Rani. Welcome to Meisha.
Okay, thank you, moderator. I would like introduce myself. My name is Meisha Rani Yukdi Putri with NPM 2013-025024. The advantage and disadvantage of Microsoft Word. Next. Advantage of Microsoft Word. First, availability. The first advantage of Microsoft Word is its availability. User can find Microsoft Word on any computer, such as a school, work, or personal computer. Number 2, integration with other Office applications. The advantage of Microsoft Word that deserves thumb up is the integration it has with other Microsoft programs. For example, if a user has a spreadsheet in Microsoft Excel, the user can pass the spreadsheet directly into a table in Word. Number 3, instant help. This advantage of Microsoft Word helps users improve writing on documents. Microsoft Word will automatically underline red words for misspelled or spelled words. Next. Disadvantage of Microsoft Word. Number 1, price. The disadvantage of Microsoft Word is that it is relatively expensive. On the Microsoft website, the standard Microsoft Word price is $2,009,1900 Indonesian rupiah, and the home and student version of Microsoft Word is 1 million. Number 2, hard to find simple menu. Microsoft is providing new features from time to time to users have more choice when processing documents. This can make user documents more beautiful and in accordance with the wish. Number 3, the document format limits. The third drawback of Microsoft Word is the format of document that can be created. Although Microsoft Word today has relatively many features, it is not suitable for creating documents. Thank you. Back to moderator.
Okay, thank you to Meisha Rani. This is the last presentation. And thank you. This is all we can convey. If friends have any questions, we can discuss them in the cycle forum fee class provided by the lecturer. If there are mistakes in words or spelling, I apologize. I close this presentation with lafaz hamdalah. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.